Okay, let's get started. So, a lot of people ask me how to get started when it comes to being a Texas Notary Public. They get their commission and they know they need training, but they're not sure where they need to start at the training. So, I created this video to kind of help new notaries learn where they should get started as far as their training is going. Now, my name is Phyllis Traylor, and I'm the owner of the Texas Notary Public Training Academy. Now, the Texas Notary Public Professional Training Academy was created to not only answer that question, but to provide training, guidance, and mentorship to assist those interested in becoming a Texas Notary Public. Whether you are interested in doing this as a full-time or part-time business or an additional duty at your current place of employment. So Notary Public Training, how do I start? Well, I recommend that notaries start with the Texas Notary Public Professional Workshop. Now, this is a course that I recommend for new notaries and also seasoned notaries as a refresher. This is a basic Texas Notary Public course. It just teaches you the basics. Because as a Notary Public, you are totally 100% responsible for every signature that you notarize. So you definitely need to know what you're doing. You need to know what you can do and what you can't do. The Texas Notary Public Workshop covers the basics of what you can and cannot do as a Texas notary. It covers basic eligibility requirements, along with notarial certificates, state fees, and other mandatory requirements are also discussed. In order to properly perform your duties as a Texas Notary Public, you must be well versed in the basics. To find out more about this course, along with training dates and locations, you can go to texasnotarypublicacademy.carsizio.com. And you can also go to our website, texasnotarypublictrainingacademy.com, and find information. A lot of our courses we offer online and through live webinars also. Now, I also suggest that after successfully completing the workshop, that students also complete the Texas Notary Public Advanced course. Now, this course goes into more detail about what is expected of a Texas Notary Public. It covers advanced situations you might encounter and provides hands-on exercises. Those interested in starting any type of Notary Public training, Notary Public business, should definitely take both the workshop and the advanced course. And to find out more about this course, along with the training dates and locations, you can again go to the Texas Notary Public Training Academy's website at texasnotarytrainingacademy.com. Now, if you are interested in becoming a Texas Notary Loan Signing Agent, then you should complete the Texas Notary Loan Signing Agent course. You should complete both the workshop and the advanced course because you will need to know how to properly notarize signatures. The loan signing course discusses what's involved in starting a real estate loan signing business, supplies and equipment needed, along with what to expect when accepting an assignment, and meeting with signers. We will review a real estate loan closing package page by page. It's important to note that in order to be a loan signing agent, you must be a notary public. To find out more about this course, along with training dates, again, go to our website, texasnotarypublictrainingacademy.com. We also have a mentorship program. So we have, if you're interested in starting a mobile notary business, we have a 7-week mentorship program for you. Interested in starting a Mobile Notary Signing Agent business. We have a 10-week mentorship program, and for those who take the Texas Notary Public Loan Signing Agent course, we have a 6-week mentorship program that they can purchase with that course. And you can find out more information at our website. Now, we know that sometimes our students will start off with unlimited budgets, so we now have 90-day payment plans. And again, if you go to our website, you can see the prices of the courses along with the 90-day payment plan options. And if you're interested, again, just go to our website, Texas Notary Public Training Academy.com. Now, we also have another training option that we encourage our members, our students, to participate in, and this is our Texas Notary Public Training Patron community. Now, a Texas Notary Public Professional Academy Patron community is a membership that is paid monthly. It is a 3-tier membership. So you have a light patron, a VIP patron, or a royal patron. Now, as a light patron, you will have access to patron-only posts and messages, Texas Notary Training Academy forum, which is a private forum for our members. Webinar Sunday participation. We have Webinar Sunday at least twice monthly, and you will have unlimited access to the playbacks of those webinars as a light patron. As a VIP patron, you have the same benefits as a light patron, but along with that, you'll have unlimited access to our online Texas Notary Public Academy resources, and also our online Texas Notary Public Academy daily news, and our Texas Notary Public Workshop online course, our Texas Form I-9 course, and VIP and above patron participation in Webinar Thursdays. So we have Webinar Thursdays at least twice a month. And as a VIP patron, you will have access to that webinar training on Thursdays and unlimited access to the webinar Thursday playbacks. Now, as a royal patron, you'll have the same access as the light and the VIP patrons, plus you'll have unlimited access to our Texas Notary Public Day handouts and slides. So in last year, in 2019, we held a Texas Notary Public Training Day in recognition of Notary Public Day, which is always November 7th, I'm sorry. And so, in recognition of Texas Notary Public Day, we held a seminar, and we had speakers from Small Business Administration. We had somebody from the Texas Secretary of State's office. We had somebody from the Texas Process Service Association. We had a insurance agent, Michelle Riley, talk about E&O insurance. So we had a lot of different speakers who had also provided slides for their presentations. So all of our royal patrons have access to those handouts. Royal patrons also can make 15-minute student support phone call appointments where I will get online on the phone with them for 15 minutes and discuss anything that the rural patron is interested in discussing. Rural patrons also have unlimited access for any paid courses that they've completed And a new webinar training will be created monthly, and it will have unlimited access to that monthly webinar training. Now, what's the price for these Patron subscriptions? A light patron is $5 a month. A VIP patron is $9.99 a month, and a royal patron is $19.99 a month. You can also, for free, join our private Facebook groups. We have two Facebook groups. We have one for the Texas Notary Public Training Academy, and we also have a new Texas Online Notaries Facebook group. And along with that, under the benefits that we had listed for the light patron, you see that we have a Texas Notary Training Academy private forum, and this is for patron members only, and we will be posting a lot of information in that forum for our patron members. And I want to thank you for taking the time to go through this and view this webinar. We one more note, we also sell notary supplies, so please feel free to go to our notary warehouse and order supplies. When we have supplies available, notary supplies available for all 50 states. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us or email us. This is a link to our mentoring program and also to our Patreon community.